Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Tabula Plus puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Russian puzzle designer Vladimir Krasnoukhov. It is made from acrylic. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is quite interesting since it has more than one object. The first one is to fit all parts, including the plus sign, inside the tray. As you can see, it is impossible to do now, but you have to find the way how to do that. And the second objective is even more interesting since you have to use all the numbers that you have inside the tray, including the minus signs and the plus one, and organize them in such a way that you will have an equation that's gonna look like this: 98. And you will find many more other equations that you can do using these numbers. Plus can be used as a multiplication, but there is a restriction where you can't have two 9s or two 6. It has to be always one number 6 and one number 9. So it's going to be a lot of different possibilities how you can make it, and probably there is endless number of them. Even puzzle designer doesn't know all the possible combinations. But the second objective is too large and it will be difficult to show you all possible combinations. But in this video I will show you how to solve the first task, where you have to fit all pieces inside the frame. If you like the Tabula Plus puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. So how to put all parts inside? First of all, number 8 goes here. Then I add number 0, and here is a little trick. You can fit one of the minus signs right inside 0, and you save a little bit space inside the tray for yourself, since you can't fit anything else inside number 0. Then you can put this one here. 4 goes here. 3 goes in this spot. Then we can put a couple of other numbers like this. Number 7 goes right here. There is number 5. Number 2 you can fit right in here, and not actually like this, but something like this. And here we have space for the plus and for another minus sign. And as you can see, all parts are inside. They fit nicely. I didn't force anything. When I was solving this puzzle, I found more than one solution. I found probably like 3 or 4 different ways how to fit parts inside, but the other ones were a little bit harder to fit, since some of the numbers were tilted a little bit and the plus sign wasn't fitting perfectly. But this one was one of the perfect solutions. Maybe there are other possibilities how to reorganize parts and fit all of them inside the frame. So it is interesting puzzle. Even the first challenge may have different combinations, and the second one, where you have to assemble different equations, is even much bigger, and you can solve it every day and find new and new solutions. So if you like that Tabula Plus puzzle and you want to buy it, or you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Vladimir Krasnoukhov, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.